Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I will be cooking Nyonya pineapple with prawns. Pineapple prawn curry is a must-try recipe if you are into Peranakan or Nyonya cuisine. So let's get started. Now here are the spices which will be used to make the spice paste. I have dried chili, I have got lemongrass which I've roughly chopped, I have got shallots which I'll roughly chop as well, galangal cut into thin pieces, turmeric also cut into thin pieces, and 1 cup of water. So I will blend the chilies first, add in half a cup of water, So once the chili has been blended, we can add the other spices starting with our lemongrass because it takes longer to blend, the onions, the galangal, turmeric, and the rest of the water. So the plan is to get it to be a smooth, silky paste, something like this, right? It is very fine, very silky, and very smooth. Alright, so we are going to pour this and put it aside. Let's have a look at the other ingredients needed. Here I have got tiger prawns. I also use angka prawns. You can use fresh or frozen prawns for this dish, it's okay. So here I also have peeled pineapple cubes, and this is the green part of the lemongrass. The white parts has already been used for the paste. I've bashed the lemongrass. Lime leaves, I finely chopped it into slivers, and 2 types of chili, the red chilies and the green chilies, which I've cut on the biased. And then we have got the coconut milk. Yep. So we can start frying our paste. So we are going to put the paste into the hot oil and saute it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the paste is drier, the color has darkened, and you can detect a nice aroma coming up from the paste. So now we can put in our chilies, the 2 types of chilies, and our bashed lemongrass. Give it a stir for about a minute. Then we're going to add 1 cup of water first. I poured the water into my blender to rinse my blender, which has some paste left inside. So bring this curry to a boil. It takes about a minute or 2. So add in our pineapple cubes and bring it to boil as well. The seasonings will be the 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can either use white sugar or brown sugar. Brown sugar gives it a very nice aroma. If your pineapple is very sweet, you just can use 1 tablespoon of sugar will do. So now we can slide in our prawns. So give it a good stir and then gauge the amount of water you want. I want it to be a fairly thick curry, but it's a bit too thick, so I add in another half cup of water. You can also add more if you want more gravy. So cover and cook for 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes, yeah, it looks very delicious. The color is good, and this is the color that I'm trying to achieve. So to add in, the next step is to add in the curry, the coconut milk. So mix all these ingredients thoroughly. So looks like our Nyonya pineapple curry prawn is ready. This dish is best served hot with rice. I love to wrap the peeled prawns and pineapple cubes in a piece of lettuce leaf. It is finger-licking good. I cooked this dish for my family and they said that this is the best curry they have ever tasted. Not surprising, as this dish is packed with sweetness and tartness from the pineapple, which is paired perfectly with the aroma of the curry. So do give this dish a try. It is a very easy Nyonya dish, and as always, happy cooking!